Hi, I'm Varsha and you're watching this video from justtutors.com, and in this video we are going to learn about exponents and powers. So basically we are going to learn about the introduction of exponents and powers. But before moving ahead with that today's topic, we'll try some warm-up questions first. Here are the questions for you. To try these questions, you can pause the video. So as you can see in question number 1, you need to find out the value of 330 divided by 30. So what do we need to do? We can use this method of division to find out what is 330 divided by 30. Now we need to look at how many 30 goes into 33. So that would be 1. So we put the 1 on the top and 30 underneath. Now the remainder is 3 and we need to put 0 down there. Now we need to look at how many 30 goes into 30 again. So that would be 1. So the answer is 11. Or we can find it in another way as well by writing it as a fraction. So this will gives us divided by 10 the both. So this would be 33 and this would be 3 here. So it's divided by 3. So it's 1 here and 11 here. So as you can see, by both the method we get the same answer. And the next question, you need to find the product of 100 and 10. So product means we need to do multiplication. So the answer for this would be 1000. So the answer for question number 2 is 1000. Now we move ahead with our topic, which is exponents and powers. So basically, a power is a number written as a base number with an exponent. So this whole, say, in this whole, this bigger number represents the base and the smaller number on the top. This represents the exponent, or we can say it as power as well. So by this picture, we can say that it means that the base is 5 and the power means that the number times by itself 2 times. That is 1 and 2. So the answer of this would be 25. So in this way, we can solve the exponents. Now we'll try a question, and in this question you need to find out that how can we write 512 as a power of 2. So for that, what do we need to do? We can use the LCM method and we can find it like this. Now that would be 2 over here, 5 over here and 6 over here. So that would be divided by 2 again. So 1, 2, 8. 2 again. So this would be 64. 2 again, that would be 32. 2 again, that would be 16. 2 again, that would be 8 here. It's 2 again, it would be 4. And we put the 2 again, that would be 2. And now we get the answer as 1. So how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can write 512 as a power of 2 and the 2 to the power 9. So 2 is a base over here and 9 is the exponent. Now in this way, you can find out how to express 625 as a power of 5. So for that, the answer would be 5 to the power 4. Now we move ahead and we are trying some more questions. Here are the questions for you. To try these questions, you can pause the video. So basically in this question, you need to find out and express the given number as a prime factor. So for that, you can do it like this, 72, and you can use the LCM method, and you can find it like this. This would be 36 here, this would be 18 here, divided by 2 again, now 9. It's divided by 3, so we can write it as 2 to the power 1, 2, and 3. And 3 to the power 2. And as you know that 2 and 3, both of them are prime numbers. Similarly, we can find out the prime factors of 432, and we can write it as 2 to the power 4 times by 3 to the power 3. So in this way, we can solve these questions. And in next question, we need to find out 1 to the power 3. That means 1 times by 1 times by 1. So the answer is 1 here. But here, it is minus 1 to the power 3. That means minus 1 times by minus 1 times by minus 1. So minus 1 times by minus 1 gives us 1. 1 times by minus 1 is minus 1 again. So the answer is minus 1. And before moving ahead, I would like to say that you can pat your back as you're working really good in understanding the concept of powers and exponents. Now here are some more questions for you. To try these questions, you can pause the video. So in this question, you need to write it in the exponential form. That means with the exponents. There are 4, 6, the base is 6, and the power is 4. Here 2 to the power 2 and 8 to the power 2. In this question, you need to find out which one is the bigger one. So for the first one, that would be 3 to the power 4, and for the second one, that would be 3 to the power 5. Now we move ahead with practice questions. So here are some practice questions for you. To try these questions, you can pause the video. As you're working really hard in understanding the concept of power and exponents, so for that you can pat your back, and even if you want, you can call your parents to show that now you're feeling confident about it, and you can match the answers by this slide. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.